In this tutorial, you'll enter your first forecast transactions. Then, you'll discover how to follow up the evolution of your forecast balances. Finally, you'll learn how to update your forecasts over time and adjust your forecast balances to your bank balances. Let's get started. Thanks to Iziago presets, you can enter forecast transactions for an account of your company immediately after your subscription. Click on Enter My First Forecasts. Enter information on the account for which you want to enter transactions. Specify the start date of your cash flow plan. Then enter the bank balance shown on your account statement on that date. Click on Save. Classify the transaction by selecting a transaction code and a budgetary code. Enter the booking date. By default, the value date is the same as the booking date. Enter the amount, the description, and the status of the forecast transaction. If you want your forecast to be recurring, to pay rents, for example, specify the recurrence parameters. Click on Save. Note that Iziago also enables you to import transactions from a CSV file. Now let's take a look at how to follow up the evolution of your forecast balance. Click on Consult My Forecast Balances. Select the account you wish to analyze. If needed, modify the display period. Specify whether you want to display the account balance on the value date or the booking date. To display the report as a chart or a table, click on the corresponding buttons. Note that you can click on the table cells to view the details of the transactions taken into account. Suppose a few days have passed. Your cash flow plan now includes several forecasts to check against your bank account statement. Click on Review Transactions. Select your bank account. Specify the date until which you wish to check your transactions. By default, today's date minus 1 day is selected. Click on Display. Click on the link to display your transactions. Delete the transactions that you wish to cancel. Postpone the transactions that have not been realized. And modify the amounts of the realized transactions if necessary. Click on Save. The transactions that have been postponed after the adjustment date are not displayed anymore in the table. Mark the transactions that have been realized. To do so, you can click on the Realized column of a transaction. Or select all the transactions, then click on Flag as Realized. When there are no more unrealized forecasts before the adjustment date, click on OK. You can now enter the bank balance shown on your account statement on the adjustment date. If your treasury balance is equal to your real bank balance, this symbol is displayed. And no adjustment transaction is necessary. But if your treasury balance does not match your real bank balance, this symbol is displayed. Click on Generate Adjustment Transactions. Iziago suggests an adjustment transaction to adjust your treasury balance to your bank balance. Click on Generate to confirm the creation of this transaction. You can now continue to enter your forecasts and manage your cash flow in Iziago.